Hello, Mr. Samipan. Welcome to InfosecTrain.
Thank you very much.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine. Hope you are doing good.
All well, thank you so much. Firstly, grand congratulations to you on behalf of all of us for clearing one of the elite certification of cloud auditing CCAK. You have also cleared your ISO 27001 lead auditor a few time back. How was your experience while preparing for both of these certifications, sir?
Once again, thank you. Thanks for your wishes. And the thing is that my certification journey not started with CCAK or ISO 27001. It was started with certified ethical hacking of EC Council. It was long back, last year, October, I did it. So after that, I was decided to do CISSP. I got the review in open web that it is pretty tough, and I failed in my first attempt. I failed, but I didn't stop. Uh, while preparing for CISSP, I continued as I'm working in the field of information systems audit. So I was looking for some certification that can help to develop myself, even my thought process that I can implement in my workforce and the purpose of the audit. So I approached InfosecTrain for the training program of ISO 27001. Even I took the training for CCAK. Um, well, it was a good experience. Trainers were well versed, and they have always raised their hand. They have never left their hand since my query was there. And I took little time for CCAK, but for ISO, frankly, I'm speaking as because I'm in this field, I didn't give that much stress for studying. I went through the classes, even the materials, but not that much in deep. Once one of my friend has suggested to go through Udemy, there also I found one author is there, Italian author, whose name is Christian Blood Lupo. It was also helped because it was a gist of the ISO. He has explained in his own way. So after ISO, I was thinking whether to write CCAK or not, because it's a very new certification. Last year it has started. That much materials are, and the experience of the candidates are also not there in the open web. Even what I found, there are very few questions are available in open web to study for that particular certification. So when I started with InfosecTrain, they have they have guided me to go through the study guide. I was going through it, but I know that after having the hectic day of work, it is very difficult to study. But still, it's a continuing process. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to get the certification done, right? So after studying, when I felt confidence, I started to solve the questions. Even from the practice set, there are also few questions we should not expect that question will be thrown directly. So my approach was to solve the question in such a way. First, you go through the question, understand it, you go for the answer. If it is right, it's okay. If it is wrong, that is also fine. You identify the answer from the study guide and try to analyze the other 3 or 4 options which are not correct, because those those may appear in your rest of the examination in the way of some other question. So I when I started writing the CCAK examination, it is a remote proctored examination. I had some words with Ishaka representative that I want to write from their respective center. They told that it was not there. The provision is not there. So I was little bit worrying, because when my exam was started, there was lots of noise. Some repairment work was going on in my apartment, in some other in maybe in roof or somewhere else. But the thing is that I could not able to concentrate. First 4 questions I could not able to concentrate. So I reduced my speed. after reaching 14 to 15 questions, I felt that somehow I am in the right path. Maybe it is not maybe. It was my satisfaction that I'm more than 70. So maintain this pace. Otherwise, I could able to finish it up by 90 to 100 minutes, but it has taken likely 105, 107 minutes it has taken. Again, I started reviewing from the back. So again, got the confidence. So at the last minute, at the last second, I submitted my exam and screen has popped up that you passed.
As InfosecTrain has been your training partner for CCAK, CISSP, ISO 27001 lead auditor, certified ethical hacking. You have also been our regular attendees of our bootcamp which we organize every month. How is your experience with InfosecTrain so far?
Already told you earlier, right? It's good. Your spoke about trainers, even the working the training platform. I mean to say this online platform. All the things are good, and it has helped enough because for ISO I approached to top. They told that you have to attend the training for Saturday and Sunday, and from 9:30 to 5:30 or 6:30, which is quite impossible for me. Even if I take break from office or if I take leave, why shall I spend that much time for sector? What I found the feasible time for the training, and the thing is that for the aspirants, I'll say one thing: if failure comes, never be worried because failure is the pillar of success. There is a saying. I'll just modify it in little way. It's I could say that failure is a caterpillar of the success because we know what caterpillar is. It can't fly like a butterfly, but it is becoming butterfly.
Thank you so much for sharing your valuable experience with us, sir. It was super exciting to have you and listen from you. The amount of experience you hold in the field of auditing and your always learning zeal which you have is so commendable, and it's always a hats off to you from InfosecTrain. We have seen you every time taking up the challenges and learning verticals. You are always there to explore new certifications, new trainings. You always attend our boot camps. You are a regular attendee and you gain all the knowledge of the industry. It's a hats off to you, and we assure that we'll be your learning partner till the eternity. So thank you so much for all this. Thank you so much.